Here's how to use the Yes Path Planner Custom GPT. Have it open on your screen and just click this Get Started button. And it's going to ask you a list of several questions. And I'm going to go ahead and pause this video as I fill this out. And I'll be right back. So I answered all the questions and I'll show you what they are. What are you promoting? What is the result or transformation that someone's going to get from what you're promoting? Who is the ideal client for the offer? What objections or hesitations do they have? And is there a time-sensitive or seasonal reason to act now? It took all of those questions, and then it's going to give us a table of belief systems. It should give you about 3 for each one. We've got the inner fire. The belief is, these will be different for everybody, depending on what you put in there. So inner fire, is it a right fit? Trusted guide, are you the person that's really going to take them through this? Now or never, and what's stopping me? Stick with it, and what if I wait? So these are the categories, and you should get a few in each one of these statements here. So this is their belief, and then this is a description of what they're believing. And it says you've just mapped your audience's path to yes. So this is their belief system around whatever it is that you are promoting. Now you want to take this and use it in the next GPT, which is the Yes Post Planner, and magic will happen, which will be in the next video.